In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chart data from MetaTrader 5. This can be an essential skill for anyone looking to further analyze their trading data or just keep a historical record of their trading activities. Let's dive right in. To get started, first, ensure that you have the chart open that you want to export. This step is crucial because MetaTrader 5 needs to know which data you're interested in exporting. Now, with that chart open and ready, look towards the upper area of your MetaTrader 5 interface. There, you'll find a menu bar, which is essentially your control hub. Go ahead and click on File. This button will provide you with a variety of options, from managing charts to managing different aspects of your MetaTrader experience. Once you've clicked File, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to look for the option labeled Save. This is the pathway that will lead us to exporting the data. Selecting Save instructs MetaTrader to take the current state of your chart and prepare it for filing away. But before we complete this task, we need to specify exactly where we'd like the data to be stored on our computer. At this point, a file dialog box should have appeared on your screen. This dialog box is not just a feature of MetaTrader, but part of your computer's standard file management system, designed to make file saving as intuitive as possible. Here, you're going to choose the location on your computer's hard drive where you wish to save the chart data. It could be in your Documents folder, on your desktop, or any other folder you prefer for easy access later on. Remember that organizing your data in a logical way can save you a lot of time in the future when you need to refer back to this information. After choosing the location, it's time to focus on the file type. You'll want to select CSV, or comma-separated values format, because it's both common and versatile. This format is preferred because many software programs can read CSV files, making it easy for you to import your data into spreadsheets or other analysis tools later. You should see an option for file type where you can click and select CSV, often noted as CSV. The final step is to click on Save. This step effectively instructs MetaTrader 5 to export the data from your chart and store it in the chosen CSV format in your selected location. Once you click Save, your data is safely recorded and ready for whatever comes next in your analysis or records. Following these steps should provide you with a seamless experience for exporting your chart data from MetaTrader 5. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.